In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert Bitcoin to cash on Venmo. Later I'll show you guys the best way for even complete beginners to buy, sell, store and exchange crypto. You don't want to miss that, so watch this video to the end. First, open the Venmo app on your phone and log into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the crypto section. Next, select Bitcoin or the cryptocurrency you want to convert into cash. After opening your Bitcoin balance, look for the option to sell or transfer depending on what you want to do. If you simply want cash in your Venmo balance, tap Sell. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to sell. Venmo will show you the estimated cash value based on the current market price. Review the transaction details carefully, including any fees that may apply, then confirm the sale. Once completed, the cash from your Bitcoin sale will be added directly to your Venmo balance. From there, you can keep the money in Venmo, send it to other users, or transfer it to your linked bank account. If you prefer transferring your Bitcoin to another wallet first, you can also use the transfer or send option to move your crypto to an external Bitcoin wallet address before cashing out elsewhere. Always double-check wallet addresses before sending crypto because cryptocurrency transactions are usually irreversible. As promised, if you're looking for the easiest way to buy, sell, store, and swap crypto, I recommend checking out Rock Wallet. It's a super cool app that lets you stay in complete control of your crypto since it's non-custodial. Even if you've never bought any kind of cryptocurrency before and you're not tech-savvy at all, Rock Wallet will walk you through it step by step. You can install the app for free using the link in the description below. If you would like help installing Rock Wallet and creating your account, click the video showing up on your screen. It's a detailed tutorial walking you through the exact steps to setting up and using Rock Wallet.